Welcome back to Grade 7 Geography, Unit number 2, Our World's Natural Resources, Use and Sustainability. This is lesson number 18, How Renewable Are Forests? Every 30 seconds, 13 hectares of forest disappears. Trees are cut down in order to make building material, fuel, furniture, and musical instruments. Forests can be a renewable resource if their trees are given time, 20 to 50 years, to regrow. But not all forests are renewable. Tropical rainforests are very old. They have taken thousands of years to grow and develop ecosystems. Sadly, this fact has not stopped businesses and industries from cutting down old growth forests. Trees used to be harvested by hand. People had to use saws and axes to cut down trees. This physical effort resulted in one or two big trees being cut down in one day. With modern technology, cutting not only destroys trees, it also destroys habitats for plants and animals and leads to soil erosion. Today, forestry is largely regulated in developed countries. Stricter laws limit the number of trees that can be cut, the type of trees that can be cut, and how the trees can be cut. Some countries, however, do not have these laws to protect the forests. Deforestation has several environmental impacts. When trees are cut down, the soil is exposed to wind and water erosion. In extreme cases, landslides and flooding can occur. Heavy rains and floods wash away good soil. Without soil, new plants cannot grow, and the area becomes a wasteland. Widespread removal of trees can change the local and global climate. Without trees to absorb carbon dioxide, more greenhouse gases are being trapped in the atmosphere, leading to global warming. Forests can absorb up to 40% of the carbon dioxide created by human activity. This is another reason why removing trees, especially in tropical regions, is a major concern. Deforestation also upsets the balance of animals on land. When trees are removed, plants and animals lose their habitats. They try moving to other areas in order to survive. Sometimes they enter areas that are populated by other species, leading to conflicts for food and shelter. In the end, many plants and animal species become endangered or extinct. An example being uh, the koala species has become endangered due to uh, the loss of so many eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus being a major source of food for the koala. Like the fishing industry, the forest industry is a huge part of the global economy. However, deforestation also has several negative social impacts. One example is the impact on small scale farmers. They lose resources such as fuel and food. Soil erosion means that farmers cannot grow enough food for their families, forcing them to relocate their families. Many indigenous peoples, such as the First Nations, are seriously affected by deforestation. They rely on plants and animals in the forest for food, shelter, and medicine. The loss of trees is very painful to native peoples as they view the land and all forms of life sacred. Deforestation can also affect areas of historical significance. Ruins of ancient civilizations can be found in a forest. If the forest is destroyed, we lose a chance to learn about the people who lived in the forest thousands of years ago. Fortunately, people in different countries are pressuring their governments to enact laws that support the sustainable use of forests. Many environmental organizations are taking action against deforestation. The Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, certifies wood and paper products that were produced using sustainable methods. The FSC seeks to ensure that trees are properly harvested and replanted, and that the rights of indigenous peoples are also respected. So, when you are at home watching this video, take a look at the products your family owns that are made from wood. Chances are they have an FSC logo stamped on them. And you can see that there are three different on product labels. Some products meet the 100% standard. Um, some products have been made from mixed sources, while others receive the recycled stamp. Global Forest Watch, GFW, aims to preserve forests for future generations. It uses satellite imaging to monitor the world's forests. The GFW downloads its information into a GIS, which governments can use to detect illegal and harmful activities such as burning forests. Individuals can also take action to save forests. We can plant trees. We can reduce, reuse, and recycle our paper products. When buying paper products, look for labels that show whether they are made from recycled materials. We can also choose to go paperless by reading newspapers, flyers, and catalogs online. Reusing gift bags instead of paper gift wrap is another way we can help save trees. All right, so we'll discuss these two questions in tomorrow's class. But what I would like you to do is to pause this video and just consider your answers to these two questions. Number one, what things do you do at home and at school to help save trees? And number two, what other things can we do at home or at school to save our forests? And again, we'll discuss these two questions in class tomorrow. So you can pause the video. And until tomorrow's class, this concludes today's video.